Hey guys, welcome back to Car System Installation. Today we have a 2023 GMC Yukon. We've installed our IGLA anti-theft pin code system. Basically the system requires you to enter a pin code every time you want to drive the car. Without the pin code you won't be able to move the car away. This system will protect the vehicle even if somebody gets a hold of your key. Now, so you have a question if the remote starter works or not. So first thing, let's test the remote starter. Okay. As you can see, I just activated the remote starter. I'm going to go into the vehicle and I'm going to try to drive away. Now I have the key. I actually have access to the vehicle key. I'm going inside. We'll do the standard key takeover, which is how you in this vehicle you're able to drive away. Now I'm going to enter the car into reverse. And the vehicle just shut down on me. Now to be able to actually drive away, I will have to enter the special code that we have for this vehicle. Now the code can be changed and will be changed by the customer, so just for this video we entered a very simple code. So let's go start in the vehicle. So our car is running and our code is utilizing the factory buttons, which means unlike aftermarket devices that you might have adapters and other ones, this is using factory buttons. Seamless, nice and clean. And you're gonna hear the code after I receive the confirmation. So I use this button 4 times. I got my confirmation. I can put the car in gear and I can drive away without worry about the vehicle shut down. Everything works fine. This anti-theft system, the IGLA anti-theft system, will protect your vehicle from anybody that try to drive away with your car without your permission. For more, find us at Car System Installation, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.